Daddy for taking care of us when our mom and dad goes on dates and he phones us. And especially for letting us stay up until 12 or 1 o'clock. Yes, thank you so much, Grandpa. I love you and I will see you this Christmas. Bye. See you soon.
Good job. Hannah, happy Papa's Day.
Happy. I love you, Grandpa. We love you so much. You're beautiful. Me.
Kaya, no, give love.
Yeah.
It's okay. You're okay. Say I love you.
And you're pretty. You love me too, and I love you too. Bye.
Kaya, your turn. Happy Papa's Day, Kaya. Kaya, say I love you, Papa. Okay, that's Kaya not obeying. Say I love you, Papa. Say bye.